All right. Good morning. It's Mr. Watson. What we're doing today in Electronics 2, Digital Electronics class, is this Logic Gates Game Simulator Exercise. And the assignment says Strand 3, Nand Game, and you just click on it to get into it. Or if you came in from the to-do list, it's on the right side. It'll bring you here. Now you're watching the video, which is embedded right here. Now to get to the actual game site, click right here where it says Nand Game. Between click here, click there. So let me click on that. And it's taking me to the Nand Game. And let me clear this because I was just here a few minutes ago playing with it. Okay, when you come into it, this is what it's going to look like. Over here on the left side, it gives you your task. Your first task is to create an inverter. Then here's the toolbox. You start off with a NAND gate, which you just drag in like this. And what you have to do with the NAND gate is connect it between the bottom here. This is the input, and the top here, the output. Now to connect something up, it's just like this. You go to the triangle on the input of the device and drag it to the circle on the output of the device below it. And let me go ahead and show you how you make an inverter out of a NAND gate. It's really simple. You just have both inputs connected together to whatever your input device is. So right now I have a 0 out of the input going to the NAND gate and a 1 coming out. If I click on the input, make it a 1, notice the output became a 0. And once you think you've got it solved, you click here. It says, I have completed the level. Over here, it'll show you if you do have it complete. If you have it complete, you just click next level. So now I'm on the second level. And the item we created on the first level, the inverter, that is now in the toolbox. So as you create things, it'll add it. So this one, we need to make an AND gate. Now, an AND gate is the uninverted version of a NAND gate. NAND gate is an inverted AND. And to invert a gate, all you have to do is add an inverter to the output of it. So just like this, let me hook this one up. Okay, now I got the inputs going to the NAND gate, the output of the NAND gate going to an inverter, and that to the output. So I have 2 zeros coming in, a 0 going out. Now I have a 1 going in and a 0 coming out. And we switch here, a 1 and a 0 the other way, and I got a 0 out. And with 2 1s coming in, I get a 1 out. That's exactly how an AND gate is supposed to work. So let me click on this. That's what it shows over here. I successfully got past that level. That's the first 2 levels. I want you to get past at least 3. So here's the third level, and it's asked you to make an OR gate. Now, an AND gate is one of 2 types, main type of logic gates. OR is the other. AND gate, all inputs have to be high for the output to be high. On an OR gate, any of the or all of the inputs have to be high for the output to be high. And let me give you a little help here. I'm not going to show you the solution, but you can add inverters to both the output and the inputs. Normally, if you're adding on inputs, it changes the gate logic type to, if it's an OR gate, it'll tend to switch it to an AND gate type. If it's a AND gate, it switches it to an OR gate. If you put an output or an inverter on the output of the device, it makes it the inverted type of that same gate. So that's enough of my help for now. Have a great day. See how many levels you get through. Once you get above level 3, start looking up the gate types on the internet. You can use Google and figure out how to solve it.